5-year-old Grace stood on the giraffe feeding platform, holding fresh lettuce with both hands. As the tall giraffe named Twiggy bent down to eat, Grace suddenly let out a huge sneeze. Startled, Twiggy flinched and let out a snort, stepping back with wide eyes. Grace burst into uncontrollable laughter, her yellow dress fluttering in the breeze. She offered the lettuce again, still giggling. Twiggy returned, more cautiously this time. But when Grace sneezed again, the giraffe leaned in and gave her a big, unexpected lick on the cheek. The crowd watching burst into laughter, capturing the moment on their phones.